This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tanya Davenport. Located in the pristine gated community of BRV, the place where seniors want to be. This updated 3-bed/2-bath, 1-level home offers an open floor plan. The main living area is open to a large back porch with a spacious and private backyard. The home has updated flooring and designer details such as tasteful paint colors, new crown molding, bathroom lighting, kitchen lighting and more. The kitchen with upgraded cabinetry and newer appliances provides deep pantries and pull-out shelves. The large master has an oversized walk-in closet. The 2 additional bedrooms are spacious enough for king-size beds. 2-car garage has storage in the attic and a large utility closet in addition. New HVAC will allow you to be comfortable all year round. Located on the lower level, walk or bicycle to the clubhouse. Minutes from your doctors, shopping and downtown. Low monthly fees take care of mowing, garbage pickup and more. With everything that this home and close-knit community has to offer, you will not be disappointed. For more information, review